Can't wait to see this one?
No, I can't. What is this spell?
That's from Kayla.
Kayla. Kayla, thank you. Hey. Thank you.
Good job, Riley. You're a good big brother. What is it?
I don't know.
Flip it over.
You're gonna spend all
I
that time?
can't get.
Flip the dryer this one.
Yeah.
I can't get, Mommy.
We got two of the same. Oh, Mr. Penguin? He's a creepazoid.
What?
He's a creepazoid.
And him.
Penguin and Riddler, you better have Batman to fight the bad guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're bad. Alright, go get some more.
Well,
You got more presents, bring them over.
well.
You're making a pile?
These are first.
Okay.
Where's my other window?
He's over there.
What?
He's on the couch.
Alright, let's go get some more presents. Come on, Riley.
Well, I made it. Mommy, don't do it.
Hey, Emma.
I'm not saying
Those are your sisters.
This is mine.
Mommy's only bringing your sisters.
Well, I bring in your sister.
Hey, little Lee. What are you doing? What are you doing?
See here.
Kayla. Hey, Kayla.
This is from Rosanna.
Look at that elephant.
I love it.
Here comes Big Bro. What do you got, Mansky?
You can't see
Oh,
it.
that's from Rosie and Chris. Ooh,
Rosie and Chris.
and that's from Emma.
Emma.
Let's see what it is.
Hey, Emma. Thank you from present.
Good job, brother.
I think. Oh yeah. There we go.
Alright.
All right, let's go, Mr. R. Crank it up. Ooh.
I have an elephant.
Yeah.
What do you think, Emma? Here, don't worry about it, right?
Hey!
What's that?
New sweats from Emma, huh?
Emma. Thank you.
Smash the elephant.
Well,
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Let me see the pants, okay?
I want one there.
Okay, well, okay, sir. Okay, honey.
Okay, open your next one there, brother. That's from Rosie and Chris.
Rosie and Chris.
Here, Daddy.
Yeah, I got it. I got the trash bag.
That's yours.
Okay.
You take that and I take that.
Okay.
Dad, you take this.
Okay. Thank you very much for the
That's
tape. Yeah, appreciate it.
Okay. Alright, elephant. Let's put the elephant again.
How do you do it?
What's this one?
That's from Rosie and Chris.
Hey, what were you doing? I needed that.
Really?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Right. What is it? Whoa! Is that Batman?
A Batman cape?
Let me see. Here, hold this. Hold this. I gotta open it. Do this one too. Good job.
No, you got
I know, you're gonna open it, I know.
Batman. He's a Batman.
Is that Batman underwear? And a Batman
Cape?
Look.
Now you can. Oh, wow.
Look at that. And a Batman shirt and a Batman pants, jammy pants. It's a Batman.
And look this.
And look at that. That's a take along tune.
And look.
And underwear too?
Wow.
Oh, my son.
What would you tell Rosie and Chris if they were
What would you
here?
tell Rosie and Chris?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my hand.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, girlies.
Mommy's gonna open your underwear, okay?
Okay.
Oh, Jake needs to come in.
Oh, Jake needs to come inside. Can you go let him in real quick? We'll take a quick break.